So, if you're like many other people, you've got a dead ace cell. Probably not your first one. And you're probably frustrated because you're spending a bloody fortune for these things. And you would just expect them to last a while. But anyway, we have a hammer. We're going to take out our frustrations. Well, there you have it. The pieces. Anyway, we're going to go in and look a little closer at what's going on here. So here we are with all of our little pieces that I picked up. This is actually epoxy. Here's one plate, which there is no space on the other side of these plates. This is the special diamond thing they tell you about. Let's say diamonds are your best friend or whatever. Well, so there's like a little diamond dust on this, which is actually acts as a third plate in the chlorine production process. Now here's another one that I took apart a little more carefully. This one actually has calcium buildup on it, which is probably why it died. Calcium on the plate, or on the diamond cloth, and some of this has already came off. But here's the epoxy. There's actually this plate here is glued onto there, and then you have your little diamond plate or diamond dust sandwich in here. Of course, here is an undamaged one, but you can see these little holes on the top, and I'm sorry, these holes, this is the bottom. These holes are on the top, and let's see if we can actually see. Yeah, you can see down through there a little bit, which is good, because if that's completely plugged up with calcium, nothing's going to happen. But this is what I guess in all my experience, probably not the best way to flow water through a cell to get it to produce. For one, the more space there is around the plates for water, the more chlorine it'll produce. But with theirs being in that filter tube, it's trying to force water through it. But like I said, probably not. I mean, it was a good idea, kind of keep everything out of sight, out of mind, but then also it doesn't get maintenance. Whereas, like in this cell, it would have been soaked in vinegar or the acid solution that they sell you. It would probably be in much better condition and actually worked. But for me, I actually like to see what's going on to know if the plates need to be cleaned, and then after you do a cleaning process, if it's actually done any cleaning. So there you have it. This is the ACE salt cell destruction video, but this is what's inside. And also there's we do have a replacement for this that works way better and is a lot cheaper, and that's going to be released on October 6th of 2018. So stay tuned for another video.